Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create this stunning crimson chrome nails look. Step 1. Filing nails. First step is filing. This tool is used to file down the old nail surface. When filing, pay attention to the pressure used. If too much force is applied, it can thin the client's nails too much, causing discomfort or a burning sensation. Step 2. Shaping nails. Depending on the customer's preference, file the nails into the desired form. Step 3. Cuticle buffing. The next step is cuticle buffing, which involves pushing back the dead skin around the nail bed. Be gentle during this step to avoid denting the client's nails. Step 4. Soften the skin before cutting the skin of the hand. You need to soften the skin of the customer's hands to prepare for cutting the skin. Step 5. Cuticle pusher. Since we used the machine earlier, now we just need to push the skin gently. Step 6. Cut the cuticles. Make sure the cuticle nippers are properly sterilized and sharp so that cutting is clean and doesn't hurt the client. Step 7. Nails buffing. Next is nail buffing. Our nails naturally have an oily layer. This step removes that oil so that when the polish is applied, it adheres better and lasts longer. Step 8. Clean the nails. Before applying polish, use alcohol to clean the nails and wipe off any dust left from buffing. Step 9. Base coat. This bonding layer is crucial as it affects all the subsequent polish layers. Be careful not to let it flood the nail edges. Step 10. Nail strengthener. Next is nail strengthener. This step reinforces the nail and provides a solid base for color application. Use a mini UV lamp to dry the polish. Be cautious with the distance to avoid burning the client's fingers. Step 11. Color design. Now we move on to the color design. I'm using a beautiful rice water white olish color. Now we're moving on to the nail art design. I'm using 2 shades of red to add depth and contrast, creating a more eye-catching effect for the details. Once the detailing is done, cure it with a mini lamp to lock everything in place and prevent smudging. Next, I'm using a silver glitter polish to create additional accents on the nail design. Next, I'm using chrome powder to enhance the mirror effect on the design. It adds such a striking final touch, right? To make the design pop even more, I'm layering on some red shimmer to bring out the definition in the details. Step 12. Top coat. Lastly, apply a top coat to finish off the nail set. Top coat gives nails a glossy, smooth, and polished finish. It helps the manicure last longer by creating a hard, protective barrier over the nail surface. And here's the final result. Let's take a look.